Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the 48th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. Guys, can somebody confirm me that am I audible? That please confirm me that am I audible or not, guys? Guys, I'm going to wait for another 4 minutes. You know that, and then thank you, Technical KH, for confirming this. Yeah. So, guys, I'm going to wait for another 3 minutes and let's join the audience. Right. So anybody can join this live session, guys. It is not restricted to the subscriber or the member. Anybody can join this live session and they can shoot their question. But before answering to your question, let me tell you that today I'm going to do the announcement of new live batch 4. Okay, and what all benefits you guys are going to get into that batch 4, that also I'm going to talk about, guys. Yeah. So thank you. Now I can see there is a good amount of audience is joining now, and at the same time I am requesting all of my channel audience, those who are watching my channel on a regular basis, guys, all my viewers, please don't forget to like all the videos, guys, because there are almost more than 490 plus videos are available in my channel, right? And at the same time, those who have still not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. Let's grow together, guys. That is what the aim I have taken, right? And I'm going to make the announcement. Okay, latest movie. Hello, sir. Okay, hello, Technical KH. Hello, latest movie. Hello, myself, Sagar. Okay, hi, Sagar. Yeah, thank you, guys. Those who have subscribed, very, very thank you to all of you that you have been part of a community, Engineer Abhishek Roshan community, and as well as I can say that now our company is also there. Okay, so you will be part of Abrosh Technology Services, right, LLP, if you will be part of any of the online batches, guys. Okay. Fine. So yeah, so I think it's 9:03 now, and 9:04 I'm going to start, guys. And the first thing, the today's agenda is very simple. I'm going to talk about the upcoming batches, that is the batch 4, right? Because all of you know that aware that batch 2 and batch 3 is ongoing. So batch 4, when it's going to start, because I am keep on getting multiple mails, and at the same time there are queries also for batch 4, that also I'm going to talk about today's session, guys. Okay, and then I'll start taking your questions, so you guys can ask any questions related to your career, related to your job, right? What roles, right, which is good for you, and right, at the same time, what career you are looking for, right? Anything, guys. Okay, only except one thing is that technical questions, because this session I am keeping only for the career counseling and to the upcoming batch announcements, right, and to the membership announcements and all, because I am trying to resolve all those queries during the week which is coming. To see, guys, there is a reason, because of that only I did this live session, because see, the viewers who comments on my videos, right, how they are going to get those answers. So those answers only I am giving in these live sessions, guys. At the same time, from the other platforms also, like from the LinkedIn, from the I would say Instagram, right? So there are other media platforms are there, social media platforms. So I'm trying to answer all the questions whichever coming towards me from last 1 week, I would say, right? So I'll answer all the questions, guys, and at the same time I'll make the announcement. But the technical questions and all, for that you have to be part of either my live online batches, guys, or you have to be part of my membership, of my channel membership. Okay. So yeah, it's 9:05 now, guys. So let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Let's quickly discuss that what is the upcoming batches of my 100 plus days of IT corporate bootcamp, which I'm going to discuss now, and what benefits you guys are going to get from that batch. So guys, can somebody confirm me that my screen is visible to you guys? Okay, thank you for confirming this one, guys. See, just go to Google. First of all, if you wanted to know my upcoming batches, the live online classes, because there is no concept of recorded videos in my websites anymore. Okay, so if you click on Google, just type Abhishek Roshan, right? And as soon as you enter this one, the first website you can see, which is a secure website, that is https www.abhishekroshan.com, right? Soon my other website is also like abros.com, that is my company website, that is also will be pointing to the same website only, guys. Okay, because this is my official website, right? So you can see, you just need to click on this one, Abhishek Roshan, so you will be redirected to here. And here you can see, even you can download the app, is also available, Android app is also available for my live online classes, guys, right? Even you can watch it later on also, once you join the live online batches over here, right? So you can see clearly that you can download the app only for the Android. As of now, it is available. iOS, it's under progress, I would say, right? So soon it will be published in the app store as well. Okay, so fine. If you go here, see, there are so many things you can see on the top of the bar, right? So here you can see the courses, right? And those who are freshers, they can look after this internship program, that is only for the freshers. Okay, it's not for the experienced professional and all, right? So yeah, so you can click on the courses, guys, so you can clearly see the ongoing live classes. As I told you clearly, the 100 plus days of IT corporate bootcamp, batch 3 and batch 4, okay, which is already going on. So batch 2 is supposed to be finished in July only, right? And once the batch 2 is finished, that is what I have announced, the new batch, that is batch 4, is going to start, guys. Okay, so once you click on this batch 4, which is going to start, now the date is already announced for you, that is 31st of July. This is the official date of starting this 100 plus days of IT corporate bootcamp live online classes. Especially I'm telling you, live online classes, these are not recorded videos. This is purely a interactive classes, where you guys can, every day you have to interact with me, you have to get it your query resolved during the class, all technical issues, whether it's your related to topic, and it is out of the syllabus also, if you are asking, I am answering each and every question of my candidates, right? So that is, you can see, it's a 6 months course, or you can say it's a corporate training. Okay, and it's a completely online live classes will be there, it's same platform. Here you have to connect every day, guys, and the batch is going to start from 31st of July. Batch timing is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if somebody is connecting out of the India, like if they are connecting from US or from Germany or Sweden, right? So they have to see their time zone, according to that they can enroll in this course. Now the next part is, guys, if you wanted to do a, so this is also flexibility I have given to my candidate. If you want to make a one time payment, you can do the one time payment. If you want to make a split payment, because like some of them, like if they cannot make the payment at once, okay, so they can split up the payment over here, like it will be splitted up in next 30 days. Like if suppose if you have made the payment today, so after 30 days you have to make the second installment payment, guys. So you can click over here and you can, and if you want to see the course content, you can see it over here, that I'll tell you now only. Now the next part, even at the bottom also you can see the options are available, whatever the options here. If you go with pay now option, it will ask you to make the payment one shot, one time payment. And if you wanted to go with an installment plan, you can go with the split payment. Now this is the most important part of this live online batches, guys, where what you will get with this course. First part is straightforward, I can say. The first part is that this course comes with a certification of completion of 6 months. Okay, and that is from my company. Okay, that is Abrosh Technology Services LLP. Right side you can see the digital certificate. Even you can visit to the MCA, Ministry of Common Affairs portal also, to check the authenticity of my company as well. Okay, so everything is legally, and there will be certificated generated from my company, and that you can show it to any of the organization also, that is from a IT company. You can mention also that kind of a, you can say, it's going to work for a 6 month training, corporate training, okay, from a company only. Okay, now the next part is, guys, that, see, customized resume. What do you mean by customized resume? Okay, again, so professional resume with tailored roles and responsibility. Suppose if you wanted to go for a Linux admin role for 2 years experience, 3 years experience, even if you wanted to go for a 10 years of experience, according to your requirement, our team, and I am also the part of that one, we are going to give you that resume, that you should showcase yourself as a Linux admin. You wanted to go for Linux admin, go ahead. You wanted to go for a Linux automation engineer, go ahead. You wanted to go for a production support engineer, go ahead. You wanted to go for an application support engineer, go ahead. You wanted to go for a system integration engineer, go ahead. You wanted to go for a DevOps engineer, you wanted to go for a SRE engineer, you wanted to go for a platform engineer, all sort of a roles, okay, which is part of my course or my skills, okay, which I am going to teach you for the next 6 months. All resume, we are going to prepare for you, and we are going to give it for you, give it to you, okay, without charging a single rupee for this one. Now the next important thing is that nobody is doing this one. People are charging extra money. I can challenge on this part, guys. You know about my authenticity, right? That people are from Topmate, or from, there are so many websites are available where only for the mock interview they are charging you. But these 3 mock interview are absolutely free. Okay. So what you need to do once you join these live online classes, so once we finish Linux and shell scripting, there will be one mock interview. Once you finish AWS, there will be another mock interview. Once you finish the DevOps, there will be third mock interview for you. So all these 3 mock interview according to your availability, and I am going to conduct for you. Now, the practical assessment. So there will be doubt clearing sessions. Every topic, like every 3 to 4 topics, it will be finished. The assessment will be given to you, that you can download and you can practice at home. Those are the real-time scenario-based questions will be there. It's only given to my live online classes batches, okay, where they are downloading this one. Once they have done with the practicing, there will be a doubt clearing session where I'm clearing their doubt, and also they are showcasing themselves, also my candidates are showcasing themselves also, that they'll be able to resolve those doubts. Technical resources, this has been, like, you are going to get all sort of commands which I'll be executing for next 6 months. You will be going to get all those scripts, not only like normal scripts, you are going to get all real time production ready scripts, and you can download these scripts. Okay, you are going to get all those SOPs wherever the SOPs are required in AWS. You are going to get all sort of DevOps tools, AWS tools, and Linux admin tools, right? Or shell scripting tools, which is required for you guys. It's completely free. Now, the most important is, you once you join this live online batches, lifetime access. Lifetime access means what? That video will be accessible for you lifetime. Even you can download those videos offline. Okay, you cannot download to your system because of the copyright policy and all. You can later on to your library in this app. Once you download the app of my Abhishek Roshan also, right? So there you can see those videos offline also. Again, roles and responsibility with, as I said, if you wanted to go with that one, so if you don't want us to prepare for you, okay, and you want to prepare by yourself, so we are going to directly give it to those roles and responsibility, those projects to you. You can mention in your resume. So template also, it's not only preparing the resume, but templates also we are providing it to you guys. Okay, now the seventh part is interview preparation. Means complete question and answer guide. Means what? I am 100% going to give you. You no need to look after that. I have seen there are so many comments, sir, can you please provide the PDFs and all. So guys, it is very honestly speaking, it is only available for the live online batch classes. So there you guys are going to get all Linux interview question and answer from Linux, from shell scripting, from AWS, and from DevOps, from monitoring tools, from automation tool, and everything. You are going to download this one. You can download this interview question and answer. Now the career counseling, like some of you need career counseling, right? Before going for the mock interview, you wanted to discuss with me, like suppose you are from non IT background or a IT background, right? So how you wanted to proceed in your career. So for that, I am going to schedule career counseling with you guys one to one. That is also absolutely free. Now the next thing is, guys, 12 into 5 days of support. This is the most important part, guys, and nobody is doing that one. See, once you enroll into this course, immediately you will be added to the WhatsApp group of Batch-4. Listen carefully again, I am telling you, once you join this live online batch 4, you will be immediately added to this WhatsApp group of this batch 4, where you guys can ask your question morning 9 a.m. to evening 9 p.m. This is not just I am saying you, but also I am telling you others can say you 24 into 7, which is impossible for anyone. But this 12 into 5, like Monday to Friday, from morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 100% within, if you ask a question, like within 1 hour we are answering your question. And even if you want like one to one, you are like introvert, right? So you cannot mention those question in the group, so you can send those questions directly to me one to one via voice note or via messages. Immediately those questions will be answered to you, right? Now, as I said, completion of certificate you guys are going to get. Most important is personal assistance. That is what I am talking about. Whenever you need, okay, like one to one guidance through the WhatsApp, that is what, if you, it's not only technical questions you can ask, you can, if you are stucking in your company also, because most of my candidates are, they are from professional background, and they are facing lot of issues during the company also. So how to tackle those situation, right? How to write mails, and how to do the communication with your senior, how to proceed further into your same company, okay? All sort of guidance I am giving with this personal assistance one to one, guys. Organizational, this is the most important. This is not just a organizational referral, guys. Also I have mentioned personal assistant, means this is part of your placement assistance basically. So in placements assistance, I am going to refer you almost most of the organization which is under my radar, which is in my network, right? Where will be, you will be immediately referred, guys. So these all I am giving you under this live online batches batch 4. Now terms and condition, it's for you guys. You can go ahead and you can read this one. Now the candidates who have been already placed, those candidates, few of them, like they are have got multiple offers, right? Their offer letters are also available with me, right? Their I would say complete authentically, means whatever I am mentioning over here is 100% proved. You also know, if there is a theory, so there is a proof also. So these people have been already placed. They are also available in LinkedIn and all. You guys can go through, you can check. These are my, I don't want it to go into this one, like last to last session also somebody was mentioning, sir, I have placed, right? So I don't want it to showcase, but at the same time, where proof needs, right? Everybody needs a proof, okay? So I am coming with 100% authentic data with a proof that these are the candidates with very good handsome package they have placed after completing my course, guys. Like Bhargav Ram is there, Pratyush Panda is there, Ajay John is there, right? So these candidates are, you guys can go through these candidates, and you can see their packages and all. Now coming back to the course curriculum, guys. Earlier I have given the name of this course as a 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So some of you are telling, sir, why you have given if the course is more than 100 days? So this is why, guys, I have given as a 100 plus days, okay? That is just a naming, okay? Because you can understand what sort of a thing I am covering over here. It's not only Linux, guys. Just see here. If you see, if I just click on this one, Linux syllabus, you can see all sort of a Linux, okay, topics are there, and few of I have already uploaded to my channel, but those are not complete videos, okay? So just to show you how my live online batches going on, right? With most important part is those real time troubleshooting scenario based, right? I would say all of them are real time scenario based production environment queries or troubleshooting I'm showing in my this Linux course, guys. Once you complete the Linux course, then we are going to jump into the shell scripting. There also I am doing all real time scripts which you can execute in your production environment and you can showcase in your resume also, right? Same time, in AWS migration project will be there, right? That project is you can clearly mention in your resume, right? At the same time, the most important, all DevOps tools, okay? You can see it's not only DevOps, that includes your DevOps, right? That includes your GitHub, right? And soon I am going to update this one, guys, because now Jenkins is deprecated, so I am going to taught you GitHub actions also, okay? Docker will be there. You can check out the contents, guys, each and everything. And in this DevOps, there will be 3 migration projects will be there. That is from my previous organizations. Basically, that is from my previous organization. And even with all, if I talk about this AWS also, or if I talk about this Linux also, right? From all, even all the real time issues I am showing you, that is from my production environment. And this is that reason I cannot publish those things in a public platform, because those are very confidential and only available for my live online batches, right? So that you can understand. So that includes Jenkins, that contains containerization, right? You can see these many topics, guys, okay? So Kubernetes is also there. Plus in automation I am teaching your Ansible. That Ansible will be there. Configuration management tool will be there. Monitoring tool will be there, guys. In monitoring tool, Splunk and Grafana will be there. And then finally, that infrastructure as a code, that Terraform is also there. So you can see nobody is doing this much of content with 100% authentic data, and with all real time projects, with all real time troubleshooting, right? So everything I am providing in this 100 days, or you can say 100 plus days of IT corporate bootcamp. Visit this page, just see if you have a query, just enroll into this one. I'll be reach out to you, or somebody from my team will reach out to you if you have further doubts. If you wanted to see how the classes is conducted, so you can click on this video, day 0. You'll come to know how the classes is conducted for the batch 2. Batch 3 is also there, but I have put a video of batch 2 only over here, okay? So these are the information I just wanted to communicate with you guys, okay? I hope this is clear for you. Okay, so I can see there is a lot of questions have been popped up now, so I'll start taking your questions, guys, one by one. So technical KH, okay, sir. Latest, okay. Hi, Sagar. Thank you for letting me your name. Bobby Singh already subscribed. Thank you, Bobby, for subscribing the channel. Right, much appreciated. Right, and Chai, yes, okay, sir. Bhaskar Reddy, I am night shift. I can't attend the classes. So Bhaskar, see, that see at okay, so this is something, even when you have to grow in your career, okay? So even in my batch, I'll tell you very honestly, in my batch 2 and batch 3 also, and even in the previous batches also, there are multiple batches wherever I have run. So it's not the case, Bhaskar, that you have to work for next 6 months completely night shift. I can guarantee on that part. That shift job is on the basis of rotational basis will be there. Okay. So in that case, I can suggest you enroll in the course. So when your shift will be in the day shift will be there. Okay. You can join the batch. And when it will be in the night shift, you just go through the recordings. And when you have doubt with the topics, you ask me directly one to one through WhatsApp, right? Even you can send me voice notes also to your doubts and everything, right? And if you need a career counseling during that time, right, if you wanted to go for the mock interview at that time, right, you can ask me, I'll take your mock interview. I hope this clears your doubt, Bhaskar Reddy, because I know there are so many candidates. Like, I don't wanted to take the name of those candidates, right? I respect every individual privacy and confidentiality. But guys, I'll tell you, in my batch 3 there are more than 10 peoples are there. Like, in one batch I take minimum 30 candidates, okay? So out of that, 10 candidates don't join. right? So what they are doing, obviously they will be working 24 into 7, but they did not quit themselves. So if you are thinking that see, you have to put your effort, guys. See, nobody is going to come to you and tell you that okay, you take this one, okay, and you will be promoted to the next role, right? Or you will be able to grow, right? No, you have to put that effort from your end, right? Things cannot be according to yourself, right? You have to prepare yourself, and you have to adjust your time, you have to manage your time. If you really wanted to grow in your career, honestly speaking, guys, there is no other way, okay? You have to put your effort, and that's what I can say you, Bhaskar Reddy, honestly speaking, okay? If one month if it is in night shift, next month it will be in day shift, okay? So first month if you can't join, go through the videos, you have doubts, you can ask me, you can reach out to me, you can connect me, right? Once you'll be join the batch, and in the next month batch you can start join that one. There is another part is that if you, if you still thinks that okay, no, this is not feasible for me, so there will be batch 5, which is going to, but that is going to take time. Mostly it's going to be in, I think, August or September, okay? The batch 5 is going to start, because once batch 4 will finish, then only I'm going to start the once the batch 3 is finished, then I'm going to start the batch 5, guys, okay? So in batch 5, their timing is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? So I have two time slots, guys. One is your 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., which is the most and feasible time for most of us, right? Another time is morning 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time. These are the two timings which you guys can go, and according to that. But yeah, you have to see yourself. And before that, let me put this link. Those who wanted to enroll, okay? So I have put the link also, guys. Please go through the link, okay? And you can enroll yourself. Still, you have 2 months in hand. Think, take your decision wisely, guys, right? uh, it's your decision, it's your career, okay? I am always ready to help you, but you have to come forward for it, okay? Okay. So, hi, sir. My name is Sagar. I am currently working in reputed MNC as a Linux system administrator. However, I find it difficult to understand the correct work environment. See, Sagar, I'm not sure how many years of experience you have, but very honestly speaking, Sagar, most of us, that is what I have seen. Even when I started my career, I'll give you a very complete practical example, guys, for this one. When I started my career, I was working for On Mobile Global Limited, okay? It's a telecom based service, and there we have to we have multiple applications over there, where we are broadcasting those messages to the different consumers, or the subscriber base, whatever we have through our application, right? But I'll tell you that there we have something called Hadoop. You guys will not believe, Hadoop itself is a very big, right? Hadoop and HBase and all, right? So at the time, even I was the guy who was handling almost east, west, north, south as a operation engineer. Or you can say operation engineer is similar like your application support engineer, or a kind of a production support engineer, right? So that kind of a role I was having. So I was working on Linux, I was working on applications, I was working on networking, I was working on multiple things, but I did not know anything, very honestly speaking. And I used to format those Hadoop and HBase within an hour, right? With the help of our QA team. But see, at the end of the day, when I started going through each and everything in detail, then I realized that what exactly and what is the importance of this Hadoop and HBase. So most of us doing like the similar kind of stuff. We just go to our environment. We don't try to understand the complete flow. And that is also not wrong, guys. That is also true, because it depends upon the team also. that how much leverage the seniors are going to give it to you, that you should know what is the complete workflow. I can openly straightforward telling is, in company environment, most of us, like when you are working as a like 3 years, 2 years or 4 years of experience, right, or a system engineer or a senior system engineer also, that you will not come to know what is the complete workflow of that particular application or that project. It's because of that seniors don't wanted to share with you. Tell me if I'm wrong. Because lead don't wanted to share with you, right? The senior management don't wanted to share with you, right? At the end of the day, they will say that you should work only the things which have been assigned to you, right? No, that is not the right way. The thing is, whenever the KT has been given to the newcomer, whoever the newbie who is joined to our organization, we should tell him the complete flow of that project, guys. Then only see. And either you'll learn two ways: you'll try to reach out to your seniors, right, how it is happening, and if they are not answering to you, you have to find out by yourself. And that is what happened to me in this entire 14 years of journey, right? And I learned a lot. The complete flow is important, guys. And this is that reason, Sagar, that you are not able to understand your environment. It's not your mistake, okay? Because there is no senior who is ready to guide you, because they wanted to save their job. No, but it is ethically, it's absolutely wrong. Okay, what we need to do, guys, you have to share things at least. Yes, if you wanted to see that how a junior is working in that project, so you can monitor him, but you have to tell him at the same time what is the complete flow of that application or the workflow of that project. Then only, see, Sagar, you have to. And for that, this is why I'm here, guys. I'm ready to tell you small, minute, I'm telling you a pinpoint detail also, from what the management think, how the project flow will be there, the workflow will be there, each and everything I'm explaining. And this is that reason my candidates are most successful. What is there, guys? I'm not hiding anything. What is the point of hiding to my youth, right? Why I have to hide something from my youth, right? If you know, then only we can grow together. Let everybody learn and earn. That mentality, that sort of mentality we should have, right? If you don't have that sort of a mentality, you'll never grow in your career, right? So anyways, guys, I'm not going what others are doing, what you can do. I believe in that part only, Sagar. So if you really need a guidance on that part, how an environment, how the complete workflow of a project, right, small minute detail to expert level, then you have to be part of my live online batches. So there I'm not only talking about the technical, I also talk about how you work culture in your environment. Also, I am helping how to make sure that you should take work or you should grab work from your seniors, right, without disrespecting someone. Everything, how to write mails also to your management, how to grow within an organization also, that also I am guiding you. Nobody will do this. For this only there are separate coaches are there. But in my classes, motivation, technical, plus complete guidance I'm providing in my live online batches, guys. You go through, you will understand, right? You have seen some of those videos, right? Correct. But anyways, it's your decision, guys. I'm not forcing anyone. Sir, again, Sagar sir, I am planning to switch companies and look for new opportunities as a DevOps engineer. Kindly suggest the best for straightforward. Sagar, first you join my batch. That's what my suggestion is, that everybody wants to become a DevOps engineer. So I would suggest first you go ahead and enroll into my batch 4, which is going to start from 31st of July, right? Then only I can guide. So everything will be clear for you, okay? Right, you no need to struggle for anything, right? Bhaskar Reddy sir, is there any chances to change the time? No, it's impossible, Bhaskar. Okay, So the timing is fixed, that is according to the poll only. I did a lot of poll previously, and this is not only for you. I have to change the batch. Okay, so the poll has been done long back ago, 3 4 years only, right? And according to that, I'm running my batches, right? I don't do so much of marketing and all, right? But whatever I am doing a the candidates 100% success they are getting. Okay, so the timings are 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. evening, and the morning batch it's going to be I would say 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Most probably the morning batches time may I have to see. Okay, that will be between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. But yes, the evening batch is not going to change the time, honestly. Okay, so again, Mayank Thakur, hi sir, I have 2 years of experience, I want to switch into Linux administrator. May I know what I should mention in the project section, because I am an interview they ask real time projects. Okay, so that is what my okay. So in Linux there are, so I told you, if you see my batches, okay, when I am talking about like the real stuff, okay, how they'll come to know those real stuff and all, right? So it's only when somebody is from the environment, right? It's somebody who has spent almost so many years into this IT industry, and same thing, if he's teaching you, then only you can tell those real time projects, right, into your projects, right? And that is what I think just now I have explained the same thing. In that one you can see, let's see the topics, guys, understand the topics. I'll show you a very small, see Mayank, I'll show you something, then you'll understand what sort of a real stuff I am teaching in my live online batches. Okay, so you guys will understand. Just see here. Okay, these are, you have never seen in my public, right? I cannot publish in my channel these things, because this is from my production environment, and these are very confidential things. But it is only for my live online batches. Just let me know, guys, if you are able to see something over here. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Yeah, so Mayank, this is not only for you, this is for others also, so you guys will understand what sort of a content I am teaching in my live online batches, guys. Just I wanted to show you, all everything will be practical based, completely production environment ready stuff is there. So just see this slide, guys. I just wanted to show you, I'm just talking about in term of filter command, right? So what sort of a, suppose if you are going with a short command, or if you are going with a awk command or a unique command or a head command. So I am, this is not just a kind of, you can say here, these are just commands. Also I am telling you what you are going to do in your production environment when you are working with a web server, right? Like your var log nginx will be there. These type of things I am real time things, because all of you know that either it will be a apache tomcat, either it will be a apache http will be there, or it will be nginx log will be there. So nginx log, how you are going to sort out, right? How it's going to store these logs, right, in your web server, like var log nginx access log will be there. So you have to analyze that which is the most visited page and data by the number of visits, right? You have to find out that you, like being a linux admin, if I talk about, right, what all real things you are doing in your production environment. So you can tell in interview that I have been searching in varlog nginx access log, where we'll be finding, suppose if there is a issue, some pages, suppose this is my website, guys, if I talk about, this is my website, right? So if you are not able to reach out to this page, you are getting 404 or error, you are getting some different error, right? Or this website is not running, any of this page, any of the services is down, then where you have to look after, like this I am explaining. I am, it's not something which I am simply explaining, right, that let's do what is cut command. No, my way of teaching is completely production corporate based, again I am telling you. And if you are ready, then only come towards me, okay? If you are ready to grasp, I cannot teach you which is not going to work for you to get a job. Also you cannot grow within the organization, right? My teaching is purely based on production environment, purely based on corporate, right, complete corporate training. It is not something from some book or from some google and all, right? So whatever I have experienced during 14 years, those things only I am explaining. If you see this one clearly, right, how you have to use a awk command when you have to find those a specific pattern, or if you want to grab a specific word, right? If you are using, if you want to see in ascending or descending order, if you are looking for a unique, right, there are so many. It's not only this, guys. If I talk about, you can see how I am using sort command, right? Mostly will be using sort command for the csv file and all, right? How you have to, why you are using, it's not just simply sort command is there, no, sort hyphen t, why we are using k3 and where to use and all, right? How to use and all, right? Why we are using, and in which scenarios we are using. This is just, I am talking about that in-depth command. Just thought about when you will be going with networking troubleshooting. See, just see the ppt, right? It is 309 ppt is there only for the linux. The kind of content I am producing, this is that reason, guys, I don't wanted to go much detail into that one. If I'll take anything, guys, whether it's cron job, everything will be real time. And if you see in the cron job also, that what real time is there, like if you want to take the system backup daily at midnight, then what you need to do, this kind of a thing you have to mention in your resume. I hope this is clear for you, Mayank, right? Correct. This is what I am talking about, guys. Nobody discuss these things, and this is only available for my live online batches, guys. Okay, I cannot make this data public, okay, because there are so many confidential stuff are also there. So answer to your question, Mank, I hope I am able to answer, and others also. Again, I am telling you, those who have still not enroll into this one, they can make the payment now. Also, they can enroll. The batch is going to start from 31st of July. You have still doubt, you can send me mail also to Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com, right? So if you have further doubts, and once you enroll, I'll reach out to you. So I hope I'm able to answer Mayank question also. Where is that Mayank? Mayank question was where, I don't know. Okay. What are the timings of the classes? Chakradhar Patnam. So Chakradhar, the timing of the classes, you once you visit, you can clearly see. Once you visit the page, you will come to know what is the timing of the classes. Again, I am telling you, guys, everything which is mentioned officially in my website, it's 100% authentic. Okay, so you can see the timing of the batch is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you are connecting from US, you are connecting from Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, because my candidates are from all sort of world, all sort of country in the world, I would say, right? So yes, see just your time zone and you can do that one. So the current batch 4, which is going to start on 31st of July, it is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And there is another batch also which is going to start, that is batch 5. But still the batch 3 has to finish, then only the batch 5 has to start. So the batch which is coming soon, because it is 6 months, right? Almost 6 months, and I am teaching almost, it is, you can understand, it is 150 plus videos will be there, okay, and sessions will be there. So you can understand the time and the effort I am putting it for you guys, right? Fine. Again, I hope I'm able to answer your question, Chakradhar. Let's move on to the next question, sir. I want to make a payment in installment. Yes, please go ahead and make the payment in installment, Khalid. So there are two options also. You can see here there is a split payment, Khalid. Okay, so if you click on this one, so it will be redirect you to make the split payment and all. So you can see from here, right? So once you click on this one, there will be a split payment option is also available, where you can make the split payment into two installment. Okay, you'll get a buffer time of almost, I would say, 1 month. Okay, so if you wanted to go with the installment, so if you're looking for an installment, so the option is split payment. Okay, so I'll change that button name, instead of split payment I'll make it to installment payment. Okay, so that will be more feasible for you guys. Okay, I hope I'm able to answer your question, Chai. Hi, sir. I worked as a Linux admin 3.2 years, but now I am on a career break of 2 years. Will this course be helpful for a career break professional? 100%, because you can mention in your upcoming company that you have been training yourself. Okay, you everybody has a full rights, right, to grow in their career, right? So even, and the most important point is that you are going to get a certificate, and that is also from a 100% legitimate company. It is my own company and I am the director of my company, right? And the certificate, each and everything, my complete company name will be there, right? And everybody can go and verify that one, right? Correct. So that will be there, Chai, I would say, to answer to your question, that you can justify also that you have been trained yourself. Okay, you will be under training under my guidance only, and that is for 6 months from Abroad Technology Services, right? Correct. So that will at the once you complete the course, you will get a certificate also from the, not from Abhishek, Roshan. Okay, it is from the Abroad Technology Services LLP, right? From that only you are going to get the certificate, so that itself is a proof. Okay, yeah. So I hope I'm, and that is 100% possible, Chai. Okay, so that you can mention, and you can mention other reasons also that you have been, I'll tell you, once you enroll in that one, you should not worry about that you have a break also. I'll tell you how to sort out each and everything, guys. Candidates who are having 11 years of a gap, they came to me, now they are working. Okay, everything I cannot give you proof. Okay, but I am sort of person where I am providing 100% proof also. Okay, nobody is doing like that. But I believe that I cannot betray someone. Okay, if you am betraying someone, I am betraying myself. Okay, you have to be honest with yourself, right? So that is there, Bhaskar Reddy, sir. Yes, sir. 15 days night, and yeah, that's what you have to manage, Bhaskar. Okay, you told, right, 15 days night and 15 days morning, right? So according to that, even I have done it like that when I learned during my career, right? We have to put effort, right? You are doing it for yourself, right? Correct. Tell me yes or no. Who is going to earn the package? You only, right? Who is going to get good package? You only, right? Did I ask any of my candidate that? Even I am not asking them to go and give the reviews also. Okay, I am putting my effort, you put your effort. That's what is needed. Nothing else is needed, right? And most important is that once I connected with any of my candidate, right? So I am make suring that his involvement with the class is more than 100%. You'll come to know once you join my classes. Okay, my way of teaching is absolutely different, guys. Okay, I'm not like others, right? If I would have to do that one, then I could have done like 100 batch candidates in one batch and all. Okay, fine. So Chai sir, also sir, I have attended AWS and DevOps class where they taught starting easy topics for long and they will rush for tougher topics. Hope you will not do the same. 100%, that is what. Okay, you, if you wanted to see what sort of a thing I am teaching, Chai, so there are videos of AWS is also available, okay, in my channel. The first 5 7 minutes videos or 8 minutes videos which I have uploaded, from there only you will understand what sort of a thing I am teaching, right? And even you have seen the Linux videos also, shell scripting videos also, right? So you will understand what sort of a things I am teaching, right? That itself is a proof. Okay, correct. So Khali sir, I live in different time zone, I cannot take classes but I can go recordings, is it okay? Yes, that's what I told the same things to Bhaskar, right? Khalid, I have candidates who are connecting from Sweden. Okay, there are candidates who are connecting from Germany, right? So so if you are landing into those time zone and all, right? Like Alex is there connecting from UK, right? So some days he will be available, some days he will not available. He will go through the recording and later on he'll ask question one to one, or he'll ask question in the group also, right? So you can do it, correct. Hi sir, Saurabh. Hello Saurabh. Sir, what is the date of admission? I have already, Khalid, everything is clear. Okay, don't ask the same question. Saurabh Singh, sir, currently I am working as a ITSM. Okay, you are working ITSM role. Which will be the course help? I have total 4 years. See, ITSM is something which is basically, I would say, it's a, very honestly, Saurabh, it is not going to help you because this is related to ticketing. Okay, whether you are working on problem management or incident management, service requests and all, it's just a rerouting of the ticket. It's just a management stuff, right? Or you are working on RCA and all. I know these things. ITIL is there, ITSM is there, right? So this role is not help you to grow in your career when you are having 4 years of experience, right? So these kind of a stuff are only good for whom, who are already served 10 years of experience, who are, right? So I would not say like that, but at the same time, when you are very young, when you are only 4 years of experience into your career, why don't you want to learn a skill sets which is going to make sure that you will be stay in the market for next 15 to 20 years, right? And that is what I am talking about from day one, right? Linux will be never out of the market, guys. It is evergreen. First of all, see, it's not only Linux time. You see that, right? One, it's a combination. Okay, when it's like when you see when your foundation will be strong, right? When you will be putting, then you have to make a taller building like anything, right? On top of it, correct. So it's like that only. So it's like just understand when your cake base is ready, when you are putting cream on it, so you are adding more skills on it. Your base is your Linux, your cake base is on your Linux, right? And when you are start putting cream on it, it's like your cell scripting, you are making not only in term of test, but also it will be look good, right? You are showcasing yourself. On top of that, you are making all sorts of, like, if you wanted to put names, you wanted to put some icons and all, right? On top of your cake, you are designing your cake, right? That is basically you are building your cake, right? So the cloud will come into the picture, and then finally, a cherry on the top, right? What is that cherry on the top? It's like your DevOps tool. When will you'll be completely ready with the base, So you can understand how you have to construct your career, right, Saurabh? So that is how you have to do it, guys, because when you are very early, I would say put more effort into the core part, okay, and then you will be take on those DevOps tools anyways you are going to learn, and anyways I am teaching during these 6 months, right? But most important is your Linux shell scripting database and your cloud, where your networking stuff will be coming, where your so many things, guys. There are n number of things which I can discuss, and this live session will go on and on and on and on, right? Correct. So again, Gaurav, hello sir, good evening. I am your new subscriber. Thank you, Gaurav, subscribing to my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Your support is much needed. I can see there is a very less subscription. Okay, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys. It's your responsibility also to share with your friends and family and your relatives my channel. You, if you think that my content is 100% worth for you, then only share. I'm not telling you to share simply, okay? And if you see my effort is there, okay, I respect every individual, guys. I respect each and every individual because everyone is unique, okay? So I'm just telling, if you see that my efforts are there, my content is helping you, go ahead and subscribe the channel. Help others also, guys. Let's help each other. Then only will become developed nation, right? That is what the concept of developed nation. Let's help each other. Like one finger is impossible. If you see, right, if you use how if you want to see more power, then you have to fold all the fingers together, right? Correct, right? So that is what the culture we are having, right? And let's help each other, let's grow together, right? Let's learn together, let's earn together, right? That's what my concept is, guys. Okay. So Swati Gupta, hi sir, currently I'm working in a MNC company as a Linux admin work home. If I switch companies, then is it possible I will get work from home or not? Swati, there are many cases where I'll tell you very honestly, okay, where female employees, and there are companies also which is product based companies are there in Bengaluru, service based companies are there, right? Work from home option is available, right? So now companies after the COVID, very honestly, after the COVID, the companies, I can say the companies who are service based company, because their client needs the employee to be present in the office. This is that reason they are forcing, companies are forcing to come to the office. It's not because they are willing to do it, okay? Because why they are doing it? Because the client needs you. They cannot tell you the client client is telling that okay, come to office. No, because the client pressure is there. Please understand their situation also, okay? Because see, when somebody has given you some work, it's not just a work. Being a company, because I have also incorporated my company, so if I have taken my work from a client, so I have to take care of multiple stuff, the confidentiality of the data, right? The privacy of the data. There are so many things. Even I am not sure how many of you have onboarded to a project, right? Once you onboarded to a project, there will be a non disclosure agreement with the client, right? Why client does that one? Because they wanted to make sure their data will be secure. So the reason behind that one, if company is asking you to come to a office, okay, because the client wants you to come to the office, it's not the company wants you. Because Accenture is there, TCS is there, Infosys is there, right? HCL is there, right? So they are basically service based company, and they work, they outsource projects, right? Like their clients are Oracle, their clients are Danske Bank, their clients are Rabobank, their clients are Bank of America, their clients are United Health Group. So many clients are there, right? So they have to maintain their confidentiality, their data also, right? They cannot do it via home, right? This is that reason they are asking you to come to office where there will be a secure network. Why they are spending so much of money to make sure the data, it's all about data, right? How you are going to make sure, how you are going to give you assurance to your client that your data is secure, right? If I am telling you no, I am going to work for you, so my first priority is that your data should not be shared publicly, right? What is the point if you put everything publicly, right? How they will grow? Correct. This is that reason, guys, very honestly speaking, that Swati, okay, companies are asking to come to office. I hope I have clear your doubt, but there are product based company who where you will get chance to work from home. Yes, companies are there, but now companies are asking to come to office, okay, and there are remote hybrid work, hybrid facilities also there. Now another point is that for the female employee, if you are married, okay, so there also if you have some problem, so you'll get flexibilities. Even companies are giving more priorities to women employees. It's not only for the maternity leave, it's for the, like, you cannot do night shifts also in some of the company. They don't allow the women employee to come in night shifts if they have a family, right? So all sort of things are there, guys. Those I can tell you, I have gone through each and everything. I'm not only helping you for the technical stuff, but also tell you how to deal with your situation in your current company once you have to join my live online batches. Swati, I hope I'm able to answer your question. Azim Chaudhary, sir, please discuss us with the real-time issues faced in Linux environment. That is what, Azim, very honestly speaking, I am purely, it's a purely real-time stuffs I do. My candidates, my TCS employees are executing the commands which I'm telling in my classes in their environment, right? And they are telling, sir, the same thing we are doing, what you are explaining. So you can understand what sort of a content I am teaching to my candidates, right? Correct. Where to implement, right? How to implement, why you are implementing, each and everything I am telling, right? Correct. So Abhishek Jasar, I am going to start scripting playlist. It's up to you, Abhishek, but that is again, that is not having the real time scripts. Okay, those are the common scripts which I have discussed, and the topics also, as I told you, for my live online batches, if you wanted to part of my live online batches, I'll tell you what sort of a scripts I'm telling to my candidates. Okay, so then only you'll come to know, and that scripts also I'm giving to my candidates, okay, to your Linux servers, right? Everything I am giving. I have no IT background. Can I will get a job? Okay, depends upon your. Okay, Khalid. See, my mentorship is your reflection. I would say answer to this question. My mentorship is your reflection, right? So if you are going to put your hard work, you have seen I have proved it, right? My candidates, who is the first candidate, Bhargav Ram, he was only 3.3 years of experience and he received 40 LPA. He's not a AI developer. He's not doing anything. How come? I have his offer letter with me, right? With all the things what I am teaching. So people talk big things, but I am very simple and straightforward. I know still what is going on, right? Correct, in the current market, which is true. Khalid, you have asked so many questions, Khalid. Okay, I'll take others questions. Usman Ahmad Ao, sir. Okay, that complete, of course, sysadmin. When I apply job by requirement is that you must have experience. I don't understand what I do. No, kindly answer me, sir. I complete my RHCSA or RHCE from, okay, I don't know what RHCSA, and if you have completed your RHCSA and RHCE, very good luck to you, Usman. Okay, I cannot see if you have already done RHCSA and RHCE, so those are, yes, because those are very, see, RHCSA is something, guys, again I am telling you, that exam is it's not that easy if you are able to clear. So you have good hold, I can say. But at the same time, that RHCSA is not going to tell you how to work in a production environment, right? How to work on those real time stuff, because you can take the dumps, everybody can take the dumps, you can start practicing those dumps for next 5 days, and you can clear the exam. Because there are some set of questions will be there. Through that question also you can go ahead and you can clear the RHCSA and RHCE. But working in a company culture, working in a production environment, working for a application, the complete thing, if that you are looking for, then you have to join my live online batches, Usman. Okay, I hope guys I am able to clear most of the doubts. And one second, again I am going to tell you, uh, take this URL. Those who have still not enrolled to my batch, just go through this live session, guys. I am already above almost 6 minutes. Okay, I have taken most of the question, and still, if you have doubts, you can write me to Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com. Right? You can go through this one, and you can ask me questions. And those who are interested only for the career counseling, and those who are interested only, I would say, for the mock interviews, they can go ahead and they can join my silver plus membership. Okay, so there are 4 level of membership I am having. One is your bronze, one is your silver, uh, another one is your silver plus. Okay, so in silver plus only you are going to get the career counseling, also you are going to get the mock interview. Okay, so once you join this membership, now the fourth one, it's going to be your gold membership will be there, and the fifth one, it's going to be platinum membership will be there. Total 5 membership will be there that you can check out in my membership program. Soon I am going to post a video in the membership also, so you guys will come to know what sort of a membership I am having. Okay, guys, I think I am above of the time, as I said, and I am telling you, every Sunday I am going to come live. You guys can join the live session. You can ask your questions. I'm not, there is no charges for this one. And at the same time, share this video with most of your friends and family and relatives, so everybody should learn and earn. Okay, that is what my goal and aim, right? And let's do it together. That's what I can say, right? And thank you for joining this live session, guys. Let's end up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again to the next Sunday for another live session. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.